Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a cat parent dealing with a worm issue, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving deep into how to get rid of worms in cats, so stick around for some incredibly useful tips and proven methods. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Let's get into it. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Spotting the signs. Before treating your cat for worms, you'll want to be sure that your feline friend is actually dealing with an infestation. Look out for common symptoms like weight loss, a distended abdomen, or signs of worms in the cat's feces or around the anus. According to a study by the Cornell University College of Veterinary Medicine, these are often the first signs of a worm infestation. Step 2. Collect a fecal sample. If you suspect your cat has worms, the next step is collecting a fecal sample. Wear gloves for this. This sample will help the vet to identify which type of worm your cat has, as the treatment can differ accordingly. Step 3. Visit the vet. Take your cat, along with the fecal sample, to the vet. The vet will perform a fecal flow test to identify the type of worms affecting your cat. Vets are the most credible source for diagnosing and prescribing treatment for worms, and the American Veterinary Medical Association supports this claim. Step 4. Administer the prescribed medication. Once you have a prescription, administer the deworming medication exactly as the vet prescribes. Make sure you follow the guidelines, which may include administering a dose every day or week, depending on the severity and type of worm infestation. The Companion Animal Parasite Council is a great resource that validates this procedure. Step 5. Stick to the diet. During this period, feed your cat its regular diet. Avoid any home remedies or over-the-counter meds that haven't been approved by your vet. Cornell University's study suggests that proper nutrition helps in quicker recovery. Step 6. Revisit the vet for confirmation. After completing the medication cycle, take another fecal sample to your vet for a follow-up test to make sure that all worms are gone. Sometimes, a second round of treatment is required, especially for severe infestations. Step 7. Preventive measures. Finally, discuss preventive measures with your vet to avoid future infestations. These can include regular fecal tests and keeping your home and yard clean. And there you have it. You're now well equipped to deal with worms in cats. It's a common issue but totally treatable. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.